Let me show you right now how you can make a Word file on the iPad. So let's get started. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss more useful videos like this one. So you of course have more options. Some people would like to have the official Word app, which you can download from the App Store. It's from Microsoft, of course, and in there you can most definitely click the plus button and start a new document, a new Word file type. But you can see that to edit and save, you have to sign in with a subscription. So if you don't want to go that route, you can as well use the other service, which you already likely have available on the iPad, and it's the Apple Pages app. So you can get inside like that, and it's basically the word editor but made by Apple. And in here you can click on a start writing with where you start with a blank page, or you can choose a template, of course, just like usual. But the point is that you type in here stuff, whatever, but in order to actually save it and turn it into a Word file, you can click on the share like that, and you can basically export and send and choose the file type. So it could be the format of PDF, but since we are interested in the Word document, you can literally pick it right there. It's the second option, and you will have the ability to, share it as a regular Word document, which has been created through the Apple Pages interface. So if you want to, you can definitely go with this option, or just get the full Microsoft version of the Word app and use it normally right there. So I hope it makes sense. I just tried to explain it the best I could. This is my favorite method of doing that. So let me know your opinions below in the comments. For now, that's it, and I'm going to catch you in the future uploads as well.